Welcome back to Orbit of Ops. Today we are securing the badge for ARC130, the Analyze Sentiment with Natural Language API Challenge Lab. First, go to the Cloud Console and create your API key. Keep that copied. Next, open up a blank Google document, paste the giant code block provided in your lab manual into the editor, drop your API key into line 69, and hit run. Tasks 1 and 2 are done. For tasks 3 and 4, we switch to full automation. Head over to our Horizon post, copy the raw execution block, and paste it directly into Cloud Shell. Once completed, click those final Check My Progress buttons and secure your badge.